You are one of the loveliest, finest and frailest creations of God. Certainly, you have every right to improve your looks to look more beautiful, curvaceous, sexy, and gorgeous. You too can buy anabolic steroids, but definitely, you need to take a different approach to steroid use than males do. Definitely, you can't use all the anabolic steroids because all anabolic steroids are not recommended for you women folks. You can buy anabolic steroids, but only a limited few because there is only an iota of anabolic steroids that suit women. Generally, a limited number of anabolic steroids are considered good for women. These anabolic steroids include primobolan, proviron, nolvadex, nandrolones, anavar, winstrol, and synthetic growth hormone. So, you can only buy anabolic steroids aforementioned. However, it's rather important for you to learn that you can experience virilizing effects, even with the use of the lowest of doses any of the anabolic steroids. The major reason is that the anabolic steroids have serious effects on your woman's endocrine system. These drugs derived from the male hormone, testosterone, can cause serious adverse reactions in your bodies. Of course, you need not worry about the gonadotrophic suppression that men really do worry about, and you also don't usually experience much of a problem with the hepatotoxicity of anabolic steroids. You must also note that most of the androgenic anabolic steroids are really very toxic to your livers. So, you should not buy anabolic steroids that are androgenic. Avoiding these anabolic steroids, you can ward off the liver stress that most of the anabolic men undergo. However, the wisest approach of using androgenic anabolic steroids is to take them in very low doses. You can, however, buy anabolic steroids that are estrogen antagonists. You can really benefit from the use of estrogen antagonists. If you are in bodybuilding, you can buy anabolic steroids, such as nolvadex and/or proviron, which are more effective in attaining muscularity. Generally, anabolic steroids are extremely effective for bodybuilding women, but they really do cause virilizing effects. The safer way of using steroids for you is to stack 2 low androgenic anabolic steroids for a period less than 6 weeks and then take several weeks off of the drugs before coming back to another 4 or 5 week cycle and then taking a good 2 months off of the drugs. This way, you can watch out and control adverse reactions of anabolic steroids. You can also use growth hormone, as it's not an androgenic drug, and does not cause virilizing effects. It increases muscularity primarily by reducing body fat stores in the woman while leaving the lean muscle mass unaltered. Thus, you can buy anabolic steroids, but you can't use them as men do.